As we all know, edge banding machines have different functions for different wooden panels. So how can you choose machine functions that suits you? The functions of the fully automatic edge banding machine are mainly pre-milling, gluing, end cutting, rough trimming, fine trimming, corner trimming, scrapping, buffing, etc. There are also some special configurations such as front and rear edge banding lines, double glue pot, pur gluing machine, glue cleaning units, bake lamp, etc. Then will you need an optional pre-milling function? What is the use of pre-milling? Is it really as amazing as other person introduced? With pre-milling function, there is no gap between the edge tape and plate. Besides, you will not see the glue line. Pre-milling could help you to achieve a perfect fit without opening the glue. What is pre-milling? The milling cutter is used for processing wavy marks, saw marks, burrs and non-vertical phenomena after cutting by small saws, precision saws, sliding table saws, single-blade rip saws, etc. After this modification and secondary processing, the plates are more vertical smooth, so that it is easier to edge sealing. The bonding between edge band and board more closely, and the integrity and aesthetics are better. Therefore, whether the plate can be better edge sealed, and whether it can fit more perfectly after edge sealing, without gaps, depend on the process of your cutting. If your panel sheet has burrs after cutting, then you can choose the pre-milling function. Get to know more. Email salesajacn.com. Cell WhatsApp +86 198 198 780 8.